Welcome to Champs Training. In this episode, we're going to answer the question, how do I change the default configuration of the main menu in Champs? So, as you can see, in Champs, we have this collapsible menu, and it's completely customizable. So you might want it to look different than the way it comes set up. As an admin, you'll have that control. Not everybody, of course, has access to do that, but if you do, for example, this bottom menu item, Simple CMMS, let's say that that's not something that you're going to ever use. So we're on the main menu section, summary page. Let's go ahead and just do a search for Simple CMMS. We'll just do simple, that'll pull it up. And here we can see that the ID, Simple CMMS, the resource key, that's what's being displayed. That matches up with what we want to change. And we can also see that there's no URL associated to it. That means that this is a high-level menu item or a sub-menu item. And it doesn't have a parent, which means that it's one of these main nodes in our menu. So let's go ahead and edit that. And all we're going to do with this one is we just want it to disappear. So we're just going to say inactive and save it. And now if we refresh just this frame, boom, it's gone. Let's make another change though. Let's say we want this tree view moved to work order. Of course, the principle here could apply to moving any menu item. So we're going to look up tree view and edit it. So we can see right now that this menu item for tree view, and there's the URL with the page that it links out to in the application, it's found under the equipment submenu. But we can use the large list selector here to move it by looking for the work order submenu. There we go, work order submenu. We'll select that. Now, when you initially set up new nodes or segments, just a recommendation is to use some nomenclature or wording like this: menu, top menu, submenu, so that when you're going back through and making these kind of changes, it's easier to find stuff. All right, we're going to save that. And again, reload our frame over here. And tree view's gone. Move to work order. Right now it's at the top, but let's say you want it at the bottom. Then you're going to want to change the level. Let's see where that's going to be in association to the other items in this submenu. I'll just go back a couple pages here. Look up the work order. Got spelled right. Work order submenu. And here you can see a list of all of the child nodes under that submenu and their order. So for tree view, let's say we want that down at the bottom. We'll call it 50. Click Save. And again, reload our frame, and we can take a peek. There, it's moved to the bottom. So those are just a few of the ways that you can move stuff around on the menu, inactivate them, and of course reactivate them if need be. And remember, if you shut off a header, a main segment, it's gonna make everything within it disappear. Highly recommend you don't do that to the admin, because then you won't be able to get here. Well, that's it for this training. Until next time.